It is absolutely beautiful sunshine, but it is still freezing cold outside. So I'm just like sat in the front compartment of the van because the big old windscreen is acting like giving a greenhouse effect, making it so sweltering hot in here. It's lovely. Alright, bit of a change of plan. Basically because I've destroyed my boots, I'm going to head back to Inverness and buy a new pair. Apparently the suspension bridge that I wanted to check out, half is closed, but it's still open for walking around, and yeah, I want to test out my new boots. Supposed to be on this side of the river because it's supposed to be closed off, but you know, you gotta break the rules sometimes. Wind's picking up a bit, the clouds are coming over, it's getting a bit darker. I'm gonna hurry up and get back across the bridge, do the rest of the trail quickly, and then just get back to the van, I think. Places like this need to stop putting up danger signs. All it does is encourages me to go towards the danger.